is a long-term integration, not something that is going to happen only for a number of years, and then as soon as the curriculum changes itself, we would like to make sure that the financial education and life skills is part of the national curriculum for a long-term period. So now, with this in mind, and knowing that all the ministries of education go through this process, Aflatun International support each step with particular intervention. So, for instance, when it comes to the policy dialogue, Aflatun intervenes through advocacy, orientation. For example, I think Lucky was talking about, and earlier our colleagues at Tekis were talking about different interventions that happen in Indonesia through advocacy, through meetings that were happening, the invitation of your colleagues to our regional meetings or national events, and things like that. And it's also through sharing with you the relevance of the life skills and financial education and how can we contribute to that national education. And that is to support in that policy dialogue. But in Indonesia, the policy dialogue step is already taken. There is already a national strategy for financial inclusion. There is already a good understanding from the Ministry of Education of the importance of financial education. So for us, the important thing now is to move to the next step, which is the curriculum design and the frameworks of education. And this is why we are here today, is actually to provide you with an orientation of the orientation for the technical staff of the Ministry of Education, which is who you are with you actually who are with us today. And the objective here is to provide you with orientation, better understanding of how to work, better understanding of what do we mean by life skills and financial education. And that is only a first part of that whole process. Because the second step of that process is to do a mapping exercise to see actually how can we integrate this financial education and life skills into the national curriculum. Is it going to be a standalone subject? Is it going to be infused into existing subjects? Is it going to be